Hello everyone, I am NB from Class of Python. In this playlist, we are going to learn about Python completely. Here's the process of how we are going to learn Python. We are simply not going to learn concepts of Python theoretically. Instead, we are going to learn the concept and apply those concepts immediately in a simple project. Here's an example of how we are going to teach. We learn the concept of data types and operators. Immediately, we apply those concepts in a simple calculator project. In the same way, we are going to learn complete Python. So, why is this Python language so famous? Here's why. Python language is incredibly easy to use and learn for new beginners. The Python language is one of the most accessible programming language available because it has simplified syntax and is not complicated, which gives more emphasis on natural language. Due to its ease of learning and usage, Python codes can be easily written and executed much faster than other programming languages. Due to its corporate sponsorship and big supportive community of Python, Python has excellent libraries that you can use to select and save your time and effort during the initial cycle of development. Here are some important libraries. Matplotlib for plotting charts and graphs, SciPy for engineering applications, science and mathematics, Beautiful Soup for HTML parsing and XML, NumPy for scientific computing, Django for server-side web development. Cloud computing, machine learning, and big data are some of the hottest trends in the computer science world right now, which helps the lots of organizations to transform their workflow and improve their efficiency. Python language is the second most popular tool after R for data science and analytics.